that must be valued.
In a continued spirit of commitment and care, the development, Seismic, Geomatics, and IDT team joined the Renaissance 2025 Road Safety Blitz held on the 29th and 30th of October. From the early hours of the day, members, coordinators, and the real estate support team gathered full of energy, unity, and purpose. Attendance was taken, reflective vests were shared, road blitz materials and posters distributed, and with enthusiasm, the mission began. Welcoming the team, Abdulrahman Mijinyawa, the Chief Technical Officer Renaissance, expressed deep appreciation on behalf of the leadership. He commended their dedication and reminded everyone that we have an important role to play to uphold and strengthen the safety culture that defines Renaissance. He emphasized that while some may think safety standards have declined since the days of Shell, Renaissance stands ready to raise the bar even higher to promote safety, ethics, and sustainability in everything we do. Our goal is simple: to stay safe at work, to build a culture where everyone feels empowered to speak up, intervene, and act when something is not right. Because leadership by example is the foundation of true safety. Adding his voice, Femi Adeyemi, GM Information and Digital Technology, reminded all that Renaissance values every life, staff, and community alike. He urged everyone to stay mindful of pedestrians, use zebra crossings correctly, and maintain good driving habits across all facilities. After the briefing, members were deployed in groups across various beats within IA and RA, each with a clear purpose to direct and coach. Coordinators moved around monitoring progress, ensuring the message of safety was spreading far and wide. Violators were engaged, not with punishment, but with understanding and encouragement. Many accepted their mistakes and promised to do better, while those demonstrating good practices were applauded and commended. As the exercise continued, the Chief Technical Officer returned, this time fully kitted and hands-on. He manned his assigned beat, inspected progress, and personally coached road users, celebrating the team's passion and discipline. To keep the momentum high and draw attention across the different locations, DJ Olufunso brought energy to the air. In the spirit of continuous improvement, leaders and members shared their thoughts, their experiences, lessons, and commitment to doing even more. Let's hear from them as they speak about their journey, their reflections, and their renewed dedication to making our roads safer for all.
But as I mentioned earlier, this is just one element of our wider, culture of excellence around performance, safe and ethical performance. So this is just one element of making sure that we are strengthening that culture, holding up our standards to make sure that we do the right thing. So hopefully these activities will help us to solidify that foundation as we go to deliver safe, ethical, and outstanding performance.
I want to say thank you to everyone who has been a part of this intervention, starting from management, Chief Tony himself, who basically drove this thing throughout the entire organization, and everyone who is out here today, but more importantly, all staff who are making sure that they're complying with our safety principles.
I see this as a very good initiative by management. We all know the rules, not that they are new, none of them is new. It's just to create that awareness across Renaissance so that people can comply as required.
We are very intentional about having a safe environment for business. We ensure that everybody that comes in here walks safely and goes back home. And one of the ways that we can achieve this is to remind ourselves, intentionally, deliberately, that we have speed limits here and that...
I suggest that we do more sensitization at grassroots, at departmental level, so that people will know the importance of establishing eye contact and also knowing when to use the zebra crossing.
And we also have a lot of people who have also said, like the aged people, they can't read. So they need to hear, they need people to talk to them before they can actually understand what we are doing.
They just walk across anywhere, and I'd had to call somebody to, caution him and point him to the right direction, that he must use the zebra.
So I thank the management for making it possible for us to be here today, and for creating this awareness. This sensitization is actually nice. Some people have forgotten, and we are starting again to create the awareness. Thank you.
Then somebody was crossing. When they got to the end of the zebra crossing, they went out of the zebra crossing, so we had to correct them that they must stay on the zebra crossing.
The Renaissance 2025 Road Safety Blitz is more than a campaign. It's a movement, a call for vigilance, compassion, and responsibility. Because every safe step, every kind intervention, and every rule obeyed brings us one step closer to a world where everyone gets home safely.